Hello there. Let's talk about why Python is an incredible choice for kids to start their coding journey. Let me explain why. The first is simplicity. Python is like a friendly guide for beginners. It's easy to read, almost like regular English. This means your child won't get lost in confusing codes. The other one is fewer rules. Imagine Python as a playground with simple rules. It doesn't have a ton of strict rules like some other coding languages. This helps kids focus on ideas rather than memorizing complex stuff. With Python, kids can create fun games, draw cool pictures, and even make their own stories come to life on the computer. It's like a magical toolbox full of endless possibilities. Did you know that big companies like Google and NASA use Python? Learning Python sets up your child for exciting opportunities in the future, like making robots or even exploring space. So in a nutshell, Python is like a fantastic playground where kids can learn coding without all the confusing rules. It's like having a helpful friend and a magical toolbox combined. Learning Python isn't just coding, it's unleashing your child's creativity and setting them up for a world of exciting adventures. Ready to dive your child into the world of Python? Enroll in First Coding Path courses. Join us today.